Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how you can cancel your subscription on chess.com, so let's get right into it. This is a very easy thing to do. You just have to navigate to your settings and go to your membership settings, and then from there on, you can just click the cancel membership button. As you can see, I'm logged into my account. I don't have a membership myself, so I can't cancel it. However, I will be explaining to you guys the steps that you need to take in order to do so yourself. Now, the very easy method that you need to do, hover over the settings button on your main menu. As you can see, I'm logged in. Just go to your settings and then click all settings. You'll get to this menu here with your profile information being here at the very top. And I'm sorry for my phone notification. But yeah, now you just have to scroll all the way down, go to membership/payment, and then from here you'll have your membership plan aligned out here. As you can see, I'm a basic member, and I can look at the membership plans if I wanted to subscribe to them. However, if you had a premium plan, you would then go here, click cancel membership, and then confirm it on the next screen, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.